Okay, today we will be solving our exercise 6.2. Okay, but before that, I'm definitely sure you go through the last video where I talk about alternate angle and corresponding angles, right? So if you have a thorough concept about the alternate angles and corresponding angles, then this exercise 6.2 is going to be very easy. Is it okay? So now let's go to question number 1. Question number 1 says, exercise 6.2 question 1. Question 1 says, in figure 6.35, find the value of x and y and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Is it okay? So here the question is asking us to find the value for x and y, and then we are asked to also show that AB is parallel to CD. Is it okay? So let's write down our answer as solution. That is, what do we need to find? We need to find x and y equals question mark. Okay, we don't know. And then we need to prove. To prove or to show. Alright, to show, to prove, they mean the same thing. So to prove is that AB is parallel to CD. Is it okay? So let's begin our answer as here. What we have here is that your 50 degree plus x will be equal to 180 degree. Alright, why? Because this 50 degree and this x, is it okay? You take a look at the graph here. I'm breaking up the figure for you. Is it okay? That is, this is 50 degree, this is x. So this x and 50 degree, the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180 degree. Reason is they form a linear pair. Is it okay? So this gives us x is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. This gives x equal to how much? 130 degree. Is that okay? Now again, what we have here is that if we take a look at y and 130, is it okay? Yes, angle y is here. This is 130 degree. So if we take a look at y and 130, your y here will be equal to 130 degree again. Reason is they form a vertically opposite angles. Is it okay? So what you notice from here is that you notice that the value of x and the value of y are equal, right? So you write down, since your x is equal to y, which is 130 degree each, correct? Therefore, since they are 130 degree each, what kind of angle do they form? They form which are pair of alternate angles, right? Because x and y, if you notice them, you find them as x, y, right? They form an alternate angles, correct? Therefore, what you will get is that the line AB will be parallel to the line CD. Is it okay? Hence, proof. This is our answer. Is it okay? I hope this is clear, right? Okay, let's go to our question number 2. Our question 2 says, in figure 3.36, that is AB is parallel to CD and CD is again parallel to EF. And then the ratio of Y and Z is given as 3:7. So you're asked to find the value of X. Is it okay? So to begin our answer with, let's write down what is given in the question. That is given, what we have here is that AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF. This is clearly given in the question. And then the ratio of Y and Z is given as 3:7. So I'm going to write, let the ratio of Y and Z be, what is it? 3A and 7A. Alright, this ratio I'm going to convert as 3A and 7A, where your Y will be equal to 3A and Z will be equal to 7A. Is that okay? So to find, what do we need to find? We need to find the value of X. Is it okay? Yes. So now you see here, there are three lines given, A, B, C, D and E, F, and A, B is parallel to C, D and C, D is parallel to E, F. Now different teachers, they will have different ways of solving, all right, because this particular question, it can be solved in many different ways, all right. But as for me, I'm going to go according to the simplest and the easiest way which I feel it for me. Is it okay? So how I'm going to do is that I'm going to write here AB is parallel to CD and CD parallel EF, correct? Therefore, since AB is parallel to CD and CD is parallel to EF, what I will get is that therefore AB will be parallel to EF. Is it okay? Yes. Why? Because CD is parallel to both AB and EF, so AB and EF will also become parallel. Is it okay? So if AB and EF are parallel, then you see here, let me draw a rough figure here on the side. Is it okay? Now I'm going to focus only on AB and EF with a transversal. So we have X here and we have Z here, right? So since AB and EF are parallel, your X will be equal to Z, right? Reason is they will form an alternate angles. Is it okay? Yes. So since they form an alternate angles, what do we get? We get that X is also equal to 7a. Is it okay? So now we got the value of X as 7a and we have the value of Y as 3a. So if you take a look at the figure, you will notice that X and Y, they are on the same side of a transversal between the two parallel lines, right? So they will form the sum of co-interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So the sum of two co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180. So I'm going to write, since AB is parallel to CD, therefore what we will get is that we will get that X plus Y is equal to 180 degree. Reason is sum of co-interior angles on the same side of a transversal. All right, but in short, I'm going to write sum of co-interior angles. So this gives us X is 7a plus Y is 3a equals 180 degree. That is 7a plus 3a is 10a, which is equal to 180 degree. That gives a equal to 180 degree by 10. 0 cancels out. That gives us a equal to 18 degree. So since we got a value of a as 18 degree, can we calculate X, right? So you write down now. Your X is equal to 7a. That gives X equal to 7 into a is 18 degree. That is 7 into 18 is 7 8s are 56. 5 in hand, 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12. That is 126 degree. Is it okay? This is our answer. Is it okay? I hope this is clear, right?